Welcome to your roller shutters video installation guide. Here we'll take you through step by step how to install your roller shutters. Manual roller shutter installation. Window preparation. Check for any uneven surfaces on the wall face or along the window's edge. If you find uneven surfaces, mark the areas to grind back. Use the grinder to flatten the surface, as this will help for a smooth install. Use the width of the guides to mark the quad to prepare for cutting. Measure the length between the two quad cutting points. Measure the width of the shutter's pelmet box. Re-measure between the two cutting points to make sure you have the correct size before cutting. Once cut, carefully remove the quad from the eave, making sure you remove any nails and debris from the surface. Preparation of the pelmet box. Carefully peel the protective wrapper away. Attach the end plate legs to the end plates on both sides. Slide in the insert rollers on both ends. Wall and guide preparation. Measure the side of the end plate. Mark this measurement on the wall down from where you want the top of the head box to sit. This will be used as a guide for your shutter guides. Place the top of the guide into position. Mark the drill positions at the top, middle and bottom of the guide for where you intend to fix to the wall. Copy over the marks to the other guide. Mark the drill position on the guides 10mm in from the outside of guide. Your next step is to drill the pilot holes with a 6mm bit, ensuring to go through both sides of the guide. Now drill through the front of the guide with the 9.5mm bit, or the inside if in reveal. Return to your window and, using a pencil, mark out the 3 holes on both sides. Now drill with a 6mm masonry bit on your pre-marked positions. Softly tap in the green wall plugs. Mark the position you wish to drill. See instructions for your size head box. Drill hole through wall, ensuring the hole is level and straight. Once the hole is drilled, feed in the supplied spring, which will ensure the cable will run smoothly through the hole in the wall. Swivel the guides around and slide them onto the end plate legs, mounting the shutter to the wall. Move the roller shutter into position. Now lift the shutter into position, ensuring the cable is completely through. Using screws, fix the shutter to the wall through the pre-drilled holes. Remove the protective foam. While you are doing this, loosen the shutter and feed it into the guides. As you pull the roller down, keep removing the protective foam. Manual installation. Lay out the manual box components supplied. First, feed the wall-mounted cord roller onto the cord, then the cord roller for the winder box. Next, feed the cord into the spool on the winder box and tie a knot to secure the cord in place. Place the spool in the winder box casing and place the metal cog into position. Place the cord winder and blank insert into position. Assemble the winder box ready for wall mounting. Fix the wall-mounted cord roller to the wall. Fix the winder box to the wall, using wall mates if into gyprock. Wind the shutter up and down to ensure it runs smoothly. Finishing touches. Lift the front pelmet cover into place. Use a rivet gun to secure the pelmet box. Use your rubber mallet to tap the hole caps into place. Then your shutter is complete. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your roller shutter.